everyone, Arian, say hi.
Hi.
Welcome back to A&A's Kitchen. Today we are going to make apple crisps. This is going to be a bit more healthier than all the other things that we've made. And the things that you need to make the apple filling is peeled and chopped apples and a bit of lime juice and cinnamon and corn flour and my favourite. Simple as just mixing everything together. The thing that you need for the top layer is, Arian, what is this?
Mama.
No, oats.
Oats.
Malden salt.
Malden.
What is this?
Mama.
What's this?
Mama.
Brown sugar,
Brown sugar.
vanilla essence, and melted and cooled butter. It's your turn now. It's very easy. You just have to mix everything together. Now we're going to add the oats mixture on top of the apples. Arian, what do we have to do now?
In the oven.
Yes, we have to put it in the oven. Now the apple crisp is ready. I'm going to have it with custard. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.